Oh, this little walk around, the old Volvo, 1999 Volvo. About to get it running. Get this thing on the road, man. No, it's rough, but it's paid off, man. It only has 800,000 miles on it. Cummins N14. Change the starter. Got to get that finished. Getting it hooked back up. Goal is to get this thing running. Needs a lot of work. Not a whole lot. I think the motor's still good. Gonna need tires, airbags. I think I can get this thing running. Me and YouTube. All YouTube videos. I ain't a diesel mechanic. But the most important thing is I ain't scared to try. That's my baby right there.